everyone, in this video we'll talk about infix, prefix and postfix expression. Let's start. So what is basically infix function is, so whenever you are writing anything like a plus b or a plus b into c or 1 into 2 divided by 100, like something like this, then it will be your infix expression. Now we'll talk about another expression that is called prefix. So what is prefix expression? That is plus ab. So here we have the plus operator before the operands. So these are the operands, that is a and b, and this plus is the operator. In prefix the operator will come before the operands or the character, you can say. In postfix your operators will come after your operands. So in this case, what are the operands? That is ab, and after that we have the operator, that is plus. So let's say that b into c. So let's say b into c. You just pause this video and write in the comment section that it's an infix expression or prefix expression. So it's a infix expression. If we convert this into prefix, then it will be plus bc and into bc, and if we make this into postfix, then it will be bc into. So these are the infix, prefix and postfix expressions. So in this series we'll talk about that how we can convert our infix into postfix or infix into prefix. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.